So it's hard to talk about disclosures without mentioning the form DIA, which is the Disclosure, Information, and Advisory. So I recommend this as a read for all new agents for sure. So as a new agent, it's a great tool just to read just for your own education. But the intent of this form is that you're going to give it to your seller, potentially buyer, but mostly your seller, when they ask questions about, well, do I have to disclose this? Or do I have to disclose this other thing? What about this? It's a lot of these what if questions are answered. Some of them very specifically on this form, some of them a little bit more generally, but it's a good one where if they're asking you, it's a good place for you to be able to refer them. You could say, actually, if you'll look at this DIA that we looked at earlier when you're doing the listing, or included it along with the disclosures that you filled out. It has this great paragraph right about that. Let's look at it again. It'll help you have essentially a higher authority, so to speak, meaning the form, to help guide them how to answer it, in particular if they're inclined that they don't want to disclose something. So a lot of times a seller may be uncomfortable disclosing something because they're concerned it will be a problem for their transaction, and maybe they would like to sweep such and such under the rug. And a big part of the service you provide to them is helping them not harm themselves in that way, right? Sweeping that under the rug could very much come back to bite them later on. So you really want them to disclose it. And that's sometimes good ammunition, I guess, to help the seller think through it, that you have this document drafted by attorneys explaining a lot of these what ifs and what they should disclose on that form. The DIA, definitely take a look at it. Disclosure, Information, Advisory. And even for seasoned agents, I recommend this form. It's sometimes a good one for certain issues maybe you haven't thought about in a little while that this does address, may help refine your conversations that you're used to having with sellers when it comes time to look at their disclosures. So DIA, take a look at it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you learned something or if this helped you solve a problem, follow me for more.